This is literally the only tool that lets you do SEO technical audit completely for free. And the craziest part is you can do all this using completely free tool. In this video, I'm not just going to show you the tool, I'm also going to show you how to actually do a technical SEO audit step by step, like I do for real clients. So by the end of this video, you will know what to fix, what issues to ignore, and what actually moves the needle. So let's get into it. We are going to do the SEO audit for this website. For the audit to start, we need the sitemap of this website. So let's find the sitemap. You can type sitemap.xml. For most websites, you will be able to find the sitemap like this. Now let's put this sitemap into the tool. This is the tool I was talking about. This tool lets you do completely SEO audit for free. Get started. So you have taken the sitemap URL. Now we will put here and start the audit. So here you can clearly see like how many pages are required to get crawled. Like it shows total 538 URLs, and here you can track the progress, how it is progressing, and it is done within like few minutes. And then here it shows you which are the important things here, like total URLs, success, how many URLs it is able to retrieve from your website. Then field, if any of the URL gets filled, then the final score of the SEO based on the number of issues the website has. So the audit is completed in less than 5 minutes. So it is a great tool that lets you do audit fast as well. Okay, so these are all the issues. Here it is telling you all the issues. Here it is telling you all the priorities. So critical ones are need to be taken care first. Then comes the high priority, then medium, then low. Low can be ignored as well. So in the next phase of the video, I will tell you in depth for each issue. So let's start with external follow links. So these are the links that are available on these pages. So you need to make sure only the links that are relevant to your business and are important, they should be marked as follow. Otherwise you will be losing your link juice here. So you can consider adding no follow tags here if they are not that useful. Missing H1. This is also another critical issue that you need to resolve. You have to add H1 tags in all of these pages. Without the H1 tags, Google will not understand what is your page about. Then comes the high priority issues, that is no index pages. So in your sitemap, there are no index pages. So it is confusing for Google as well. First we are giving a sitemap file to Google that come Google on our website and index all these pages. And then when Google encounters that within that URL, we have put a no index tag. So it is not totally recommended. You need to remove these URLs not indexed from the sitemap. And then sometimes what happens is our major pages are embedded in these, such as service pages, home page. So that can drastically lower your ranking on Google. Canonical mismatch. So this tells you that Google does not understand currently which page you want to rank for. That is why it is having multiple mismatch of the canonical. So you have to put the exact URL that you want to rank in order to get the ranking. Then comes multiple H1. So on a page there should be only single H1, so that Google understand that that is the main topic that you want to rank for. Again 404 pages, so you need to clearly see if there are important 404 pages and you need to remove them from the sitemap. Low word count. So here what happens is you need to see which pages are important, because on certain pages there might not be requirement for adding more content, so you need to keep that in mind. Social tags incomplete. So whenever you are sharing your URL on a different website, that is social media like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, so that preview that happens, you need, in order to make that complete, you need to add these tags. Image missing alt. So without these, Google does not understand about your images, so you need to add images, alt text there. Title length. So the appropriate length for a title is 55 to 65 characters. So you need to make sure that your title length remains under that. And similarly for description, it is around 155 to 165 characters. So you need to keep it under that. So these are all the issues that this Crawlbees tool can analyze easily, and you can take action on them. Next, I want to tell you which really moves the ranking. So this is external followings. If you are losing your link juice, if you are building backlinks and still using external as follow links, so you are losing your link juice. So you need to add no follow tags here. Missing H1, that is the most important, because if you are missing H1, then Google does not understand anything about your page. Yes, so these are the important issues that Google considers you need to resolve them. So let me show you. So on this tool you can add up to 5 projects and crawl 1000 URLs per audit. And if you want to move to a pro plan, that's your choice completely. If you want to add more projects, either you can delete them if the 1000 URLs limit has been reached, otherwise you can add up to 5 projects until then. Okay, I will link this tool in the description. You can go and check it out. You can share your feedback in the comments.